Merry Christmas, dear ones. I absolutely love this time of year, the joy, the love, and the warmth that fills the air. It's the perfect time to reflect on all that we have and all that we desire. The holidays are a reminder that love is everywhere, and this season, we have the opportunity to open ourselves up to even more of it. Love is not just a feeling, it's a powerful energy that shapes our lives. Today, I'm going to share with you powerful lessons on love that can help you manifest your deepest desires. Let's explore how love can transform our world, not just during the holidays, but all year long. Belief is the foundation of manifestation. Without a strong belief in yourself and your dreams, it can be difficult to create the life you desire. When you believe in your vision, you begin to align yourself with the energy of your desires. This Christmas, take a moment to truly believe in your ability to create the life you've always wanted. Belief is not about waiting for external validation, it comes from within. When you deeply believe in your dreams, you automatically start to take inspired action toward them. You begin to see opportunities where others might see obstacles. By believing in your dreams, you open the door to receiving everything you need to bring them to life. This holiday season, make it your intention to trust in your journey in the path you are on, knowing that everything is unfolding perfectly. Belief also requires patience and trust in the timing of the universe. Sometimes, our dreams don't manifest immediately, and that's okay. Trust that what is meant for you will come to you at the right time. This holiday season, practice patience and trust that everything you've asked for is already making its way to you. When you believe in yourself and your dreams, you radiate confidence and positivity. Others are drawn to your energy, and this creates a ripple effect that brings even more blessings into your life. During this season of giving and receiving, remember that believing in yourself is one of the greatest gifts you can give to the world. Love is the most powerful force in the universe. Everything we desire, whether it's happiness, abundance, or relationships, is ultimately rooted in love. When we open ourselves to love, both giving and receiving, we create a space for all things good to enter our lives. This holiday season, let love be the foundation of all that you wish to manifest. Start by loving yourself fully and unconditionally. Self-love is the first step toward attracting love in all areas of your life. When you love yourself, you set the tone for how others will treat you. This Christmas, be gentle with yourself and take the time to appreciate all the beautiful qualities that make you unique. The more you love yourself, the more you will attract the love and abundance you deserve. Love also invites healing into our lives. If there are areas in your life where you feel disconnected or hurt, love is the antidote. By allowing yourself to heal through love, you can manifest positive changes. Take time this holiday season to reflect on any wounds you may be carrying and give yourself the gift of forgiveness and healing. When you forgive, you make space for new blessings to enter. As you manifest through love, recall that this energy is magnetic. Love attracts more love, and it also brings in all the good things that align with your highest good. This Christmas, allow love to flow freely from your heart and watch as it transforms your life in ways you may never have expected. Visualization is a key tool in manifestation. By clearly imagining the life you want to create, you set your mind and energy on the path toward bringing it into reality. Visualization allows you to feel the emotions of your desires as if they've already happened. The more real it feels to you, the quicker it will come into being. This holiday season, take a few moments each day to visualize the life you want to create. Start by finding a quiet space where you can relax and focus your mind. Close your eyes and picture your dream life in vivid detail. See the colors, hear the sounds, and feel the emotions associated with your desires. The more sensory details you include, the more powerful the visualization becomes. As you do this, remember to feel the joy and gratitude of already having everything you desire. Visualization isn't just about daydreaming, it's about aligning your thoughts, emotions, and actions with your desires. Once you have a clear mental image, take steps toward making that vision a reality. Whether it's doing research, setting goals, or making connections, each action you take moves you closer to manifesting your dreams. During the holiday season, when the energy is high and filled with possibility, your visualizations are even more potent. Use this time to amplify your dreams, knowing that the universe is ready to help you make them a reality. Visualizing regularly will strengthen your belief in what is possible and keep you focused on your goals. Gratitude is one of the most powerful tools in the manifestation process. When we express gratitude for what we already have, we invite even more blessings into our lives. The act of being thankful for what we have shifts our focus from lack to abundance. This holiday season, take time each day to count your blessings and express gratitude for everything that is good in your life. Start by creating a gratitude list. Each day, write down at least 5 things you are grateful for. These can be simple things like a warm cup of tea, the love of family and friends, or the beauty of a holiday decoration. As you do this, allow yourself to really feel the gratitude in your heart. The more you focus on what you're thankful for, the more you attract similar energy into your life. Gratitude also strengthens your relationship with the universe. When you are grateful for what you have, you acknowledge the abundance that already exists around you. This creates a positive feedback loop, where the universe rewards your appreciation with even more blessings. During the holidays, make it a point to express your gratitude not only for the big things but also for the small, everyday moments that bring you joy. Gratitude cultivates joy. When we focus on the positive aspects of our lives, we naturally become happier. This Christmas, let gratitude be your guide, and notice how it transforms your energy and brings even more love and abundance into your world. For manifestation to occur, your thoughts and feelings must be in harmony. If you desire abundance, you must feel abundant. If you desire love, you must feel loved. Our thoughts create our reality, but it's our feelings that energize and magnify those thoughts. This holiday season, make sure your thoughts align with the emotions you wish to feel, as this alignment is key to attracting what you desire. Take time each day to check in with your feelings. Are you feeling joyful, grateful, and hopeful, or are you feeling stressed, anxious, or doubtful? If your feelings are not in alignment with your desires, take a moment to shift your mindset. You can do this by focusing on what's going well in your life and practicing gratitude for all the blessings around you. The more you focus on positivity, the easier it becomes to feel good. Another way to align your thoughts and feelings is through affirmation. Use positive statements to reprogram your mind and heart to focus on what you want to attract. When you consistently affirm that you are worthy of love, success, and happiness, you send out a powerful signal to the universe that you are ready to receive. During this holiday season, remember that your thoughts are powerful. When they are aligned with positive feelings, you create a magnet for the life you want. Be mindful of the energy you put out, and know that the universe is responding to the vibrations you're sending out. One of the most powerful manifestation techniques is to live as if your desires have already come true. When you live in this way, you act in faith, trusting that what you've asked for is already on its way to you. This Christmas, practice living with the joy and gratitude of knowing that everything you've dreamed of is already here. Start by visualizing yourself already living the life you desire. How do you feel? How do you carry yourself? What do you do each day? Begin to embody that energy and take actions as if it has already manifested. This doesn't mean pretending, it means truly feeling and acting in alignment with your desires. Living as if you've already received also helps to eliminate fear and doubt. When you act in faith, you let go of any negative beliefs that might be holding you back. Trusting in the process allows you to stay focused on the end result, even when challenges arise. This holiday season, step into the energy of your future self and allow that feeling to guide you. The more you live in alignment with your desires, the quicker they will manifest. As you embody the energy of your dreams, you become a magnet for everything you want to attract. This Christmas, live with the belief that your dreams are already coming true, and watch as the universe aligns with your faith. Doubt is one of the greatest obstacles to manifestation. It creates resistance and blocks the flow of energy between you and your desires. When you doubt, you send out mixed signals to the universe, which causes confusion and delays in manifestation. This holiday season, release any doubts you may have and trust that the universe is working in your favor. The first step in letting go of doubt is to acknowledge it. When doubt arises, recognize it without judgment and gently let it go. Replace it with thoughts of faith and trust. You can use affirmations to combat doubt. For example, remind yourself, "I trust that everything is working out for my highest good." Repeating this mantra will help shift your mindset from fear to trust. Doubt often stems from a lack of belief in your own worth. It's important to recognize that you are deserving of all the good things that life has to offer. The more you value yourself, the less room there will be for doubt. This Christmas, remind yourself that you are worthy of love, abundance, and all the blessings the universe has in store for you. By letting go of doubt and trusting in the process, you clear the path for your desires to manifest. This holiday season, release any negative thoughts or fears, and replace them with unwavering faith that your dreams are on their way. Manifestation happens in the present moment. It's easy to get caught up in the past or worry about the future, but true manifestation occurs when you are fully present. When you are present, you are in alignment with the energy of abundance. This Christmas, make a conscious effort to stay present and enjoy every moment of the holiday season. Start by being mindful of your thoughts and emotions. Instead of worrying about what's to come or ruminating on past experiences, focus on what is happening right now. Enjoy the sights, sounds, and feelings of the holiday season. Whether you're with family, decorating your home, or enjoying a cup of hot cocoa, take time to be fully present in each moment. Living in the present moment also allows you to appreciate the little things. When we're focused on the present, we notice the beauty in the world around us that we might otherwise overlook. During the holidays, take in the magic of the season, from the twinkling lights to the warmth of a hug from a loved one. The more you practice being present, the more you align with the energy of manifestation. When you're present, you're sending out clear signals to the universe about what you desire. This Christmas, allow yourself to fully experience the joy of the moment, knowing that everything you desire is on its way. Affirmations are one of the most powerful tools for reinforcing your beliefs and desires. When you speak positive truths about yourself and your life, you reprogram your subconscious mind and align your energy with your goals. This holiday season, use affirmations to boost your confidence and strengthen your belief in the possibility of your dreams. Start by choosing affirmations that resonate with you. They could be as simple as, "I am worthy of love and abundance," or "My dreams are manifesting effortlessly." Repeat them daily, especially during moments of doubt or uncertainty. The more you affirm your desires, the more your subconscious mind will accept them as truth. Affirmations work best when combined with feelings of gratitude. When you affirm something, also feel gratitude for it as if it has already manifested. This combination of positive thought and emotion creates a powerful vibration that aligns you with your desires. During the holiday season, use affirmations to stay focused on what you want to create in the new year. Let them be a reminder of your power to manifest anything you desire. Speak your truth with confidence and trust that the universe is supporting you every step of the way. Manifestation is not just about taking, it's about giving and receiving in harmony. When you give love, kindness, and generosity, you create a flow of energy that returns to you tenfold. The more you give, the more you receive. This Christmas, practice the art of giving without expectation and watch how the universe returns your gifts in amazing ways. Giving doesn't always have to be in the form of material things. A kind word, a smile, or a helping hand can make all the difference. This holiday season, focus on giving from the heart, without any agenda or expectation of receiving in return. When you give freely, you open the door to receiving even more blessings. The act of receiving is just as important as giving. Often, we block our own abundance by feeling unworthy of receiving. This holiday season, allow yourself to receive with an open heart, knowing that you deserve everything that comes your way. Accept gifts and compliments graciously, and recognize that receiving is part of the flow of energy. Giving and receiving create a harmonious cycle that brings balance and abundance into your life. This Christmas, let this cycle flow freely, knowing that the more love and kindness you give, the more it will return to you in beautiful, unexpected ways. As we celebrate this special season, remember that the power to create the life you desire lies within you. By focusing on love, belief, gratitude, and generosity, you can manifest your dreams and bring more abundance, peace, and joy into your life. May this Christmas be filled with love, healing, and the excitement of knowing that your dreams are unfolding beautifully. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more content on manifesting the life you desire. Happy holidays, and never forget, you are a gift to the world.